To do what?
Dear dog! Your dog! Come on, doggy! Come on!
I don't like this.
This is my dog!
I really don't want to bite you.
This is my dog! Bite me! Just bite like here.
Ew, it's like your butt. I don't want to bite your butt.
Alright, ready? Dog! Dog, wait! Doggy! Dog? Dog? Where are you, dog? Dog? No. Dog? No. Dog! Hurry up, dog. Where is the dog? Have you seen my dog? Have you seen my dog?
No.
You sure you haven't seen her? You haven't seen her anywhere. Okay, can I have a my size meal? Why?
Cause.
Come on. I'm hungry, lady.
No.
Lady, I'm hungry.
No.
Lady! No! Come on! Please. Why? This is a restaurant. Where's my dog? Have you seen her?
Downstairs.
Can you help me find her? Thanks.
Really?
Thank you for helping me find her.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I owe you my life. Hey! It's my dog! What are you doing here? What? Did you eat that nice Wendy's lady? Dog! You deserve a good spanking. Ah! Dog! Dog! Don't run away from me this time. Run away. No, come on. Come on, doggy. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, sit on the couch. And you sit there. And you like it. Sit there, I said. Say rough.
What?
Now why don't you tell me what happened to this lady?
What?
What happened to her?
What?
Where is it? What's in there? Oh, whoa. What's in there? What's in here?
Where's my sister's Cheerios?
Lucky it's a half. What is that? It's a 9! Only we had a 6 right there.
That's totally a bomb. What are you talking about?
It's totally a what?
It's a bomb.
It's a grenade. Hello, is this 911? My dog is missing. I just saw her, and I don't know. Now there's this Wendy's lady here. We all know where that is. Yeah, okay, you'll be here soon? Okay. Bye. Wendy lady abusing me. Doggy! How are you? Come here, sit by me. Dog. Dog. Let's pet you. Let's examine your eye. Wait, I was trying to examine. Wait, let's look at your nose.
Don't examine my nose.
Ow! You bit my knee.
What a titty mark.
Ow! It's when I examine. Let me just examine. Fine.
Uh-oh, I didn't know that one lined. I mean, muff.